My name is Adime Bonsi. I'm from the Montreal area in Quebec, Canada. I work for a company called FPInnovations. It's a forestry research organization focused on bringing solutions to the Canadian forest sector. Within the Transportation Research Group at FPInnovations, there's an initiative called the PIG Group, and this group focuses on providing solutions to the commercial transport sector. So it's a research and development and engineering, testing and certification group. And part of the work that we do is applied research for commercial transport fleets. So the topic related to DPFs and emissions came up from PIG Group partners. So we partner with about 40 fleets in Canada and in the United States. And so they proposed that research topic to look into the efficacy of cleaning methods for diesel particulate filters. There's quite a bit of ambiguity in this area. Which systems clean the best? How do you ensure that you're maintaining the emission standards and so on and so forth? And some of the cleaning methods for diesel particulate filters could be expensive. And so there's just quite a bit of ambiguity. And so our purpose here was to provide some guidance as to the experience as well as the efficacy of different cleaning methods. So from this research and from the results that we have produced, transport fleets can go and select the best cleaning method that applies to their situation. Specifically from the paper, we're able to provide practical experiences, so pros and cons for each cleaning method. One of the key contributors to the success of this paper was collaboration. So we collaborated with cleaning service providers, we collaborated with our fleet partners, the transportation group collaborated with the imaging group out in our Vancouver office. And so there was a lot of collaboration, and I think that drives research. The process is quite rigorous. There are many steps to follow. The good thing is that there's a lot of help. You're prompted each time there's an activity to complete. Publishing with SAE is prestigious, right? So if your paper is accepted to be published with SAE, that's an achievement because of the rigor that goes into the publication process.